We begin with that horrific Las Vegas hit and run that killed a retired police chief on a bike ride. And a reminder, this video is very difficult to watch. Police now saying a second teen is in custody in connection to this crime. And the video appears to show the crash was intentional, with the teens heard laughing in the background. 64-year-old Andreas Probst was killed. And according to police, this is not the first time the suspects have had run-ins with the law. Correspondent Elizabeth Pran joins us live. Elizabeth, what are we learning this afternoon?
Yeah, Nichole, this is a really hard story. That passenger that you speak of that's in custody was actually in court today. You're probably wondering, why haven't we seen a photograph? Why don't we have video from court? These two young men are still in the juvenile system. The DA has said he will be charging these young men as adults, but in the interim, it's going to take time to get them from the juvenile system to the adult court system where they can release their names and identity. In the meantime, to bring you up to speed, there was actually quite a lengthy crime spree that happened on August 14th. We created a timeline for you because it certainly did end, unfortunately, with the life of Andreas Probst, but it started much earlier than that. And I do want to mention his family and friends call him Andy. So respectfully, I say his name in its entirety, but we do want to refer to him as Andy in a loving way. But look at this timeline. Cops say the teen duo began by stealing a total of 4 cars. They've recovered 3 of those vehicles. They also struck another bike rider, a 72-year-old man who did survive. He did suffer some injuries. And at that time, allegedly, the passenger who shot that very now famous video was behind the wheel. This is according to authorities. At some time, the two of them switched, and that's when the boys struck another vehicle. So this video that you're seeing now, just moments prior to, they did hit a white Toyota Camry. So right here, this is when the passenger was shooting that video. The boy who shot that video is now in police custody, was in court today, and then the incident when they hit Andy right there on his bicycle. So you're probably thinking, why did it take so long to get these 2 young men in custody? Well, reportedly that video was not only disseminated, but it was shown to a school resource officer on August 29th. Remember, the incident happened on August 14th. They were able to identify the passenger with clothing as well as tattoos. While it has taken time for authorities to gather information, the DA said that justice will be served. This is what he told the media just yesterday.
Justice will be served in this case. I am taking a personal interest in this case. As many of you know, my office handles a lot of cases, and I can't get involved in all of them, but I do get involved in the most important cases, and this is one of them.
So, Nichole, just to give you a timeline, the incident happened August 14th. The video was shown August 29th, the first arrest August 31st, and the second arrest just yesterday. To put it together, the authorities are trying to do their due diligence. People have asked exactly where this is. It's about 16 miles from the Vegas Strip. As you remember, he is a former California police chief, but just to clarify, this did happen in the state of Nevada. Nichole.
And Elizabeth, before we let you go, have we heard anything about how his family is holding up?
Nichole, they've actually been quite vocal, specifically the daughter. He does have a son. He's got a wife named Crystal, the daughter named Taylor. She's been quite outspoken. She's been at vigils. She's been at ceremonies for him, and she attended that press conference yesterday. She said she absolutely is grief-stricken, but she wants to focus on who her father was. Here she is.
We are devastated by the senseless murder of Andy. Andy's life was robbed by 2 individuals who did not believe that lives of others matter. We believe that Andy's murder is a direct result of society's decayed family values and the strong effects that social media has on our youth.
Nichole, I'm really in awe of this young woman. Remember, she was one of the first ones on scene. Although he had already been transported to the hospital, she received an alert on her phone that he had possibly fallen. So you can imagine exactly what she's going through, Nichole.
Yeah, so many hearts, people's hearts going out to that family. Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.